Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today's video is going to be about delicious wraps, so stick around. If this is the first time visiting my channel, you're going to find quick and easy, whole food, plant-based, no oil recipes here. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out all the links below for the resources that I offer. So yesterday I made broccoli mums mung bean wraps, and they are so delicious and so yummy that I'm going to show you how I'm going to use them today. I'm going to be making a creamy mushroom, onion, and spinach mixture to go into that wrap. And it's going to be super satisfying and filling, and best of all, it's going to be low fat, high carb, so great for weight loss. So this would be a really good maximum weight loss meal. So if you've been looking for a recipe that is a maximum weight loss recipe that will help you feel full and satisfied, this one's for you. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is start my sauce for my wrap. And I'm going to do a version of my plant-based cheese sauce. It's basically the same, I'm just leaving out the carrot. So it's more of a white sauce. So I'm just gonna use potato and cauliflower. And we're just gonna throw our cauliflower in this pot here. And this is about a half a head. And then chop up the potatoes. So we're going to get these going. So we're going to start with our mushrooms and our onions. We want to get these sauteing. So I'm just going to slice these up and throw them in a bowl. And fairly thin slices. That way they'll cook faster. Then we're going to slice up an onion. And I just like to do like the half rings. Again, fairly thin. Okay, now onions go in the bowl. I like to separate them before I put them in my skillet. Then lastly, I'm going to chop up some spinach, and this is probably like 2 cups. And we're just going to chop this up and set it aside. And I just like to kind of gather it up into like a ball and then slice it up like this. And this is going to go in at the very end. So I'm going to finish slicing this up, and then we're going to meet over at the stove. I just have a splash of water in my pan because the mushrooms are going to release a lot of liquid. So I just put a little bit in there just so they don't stick in the beginning. Now we're going to cook these until they cook down and they caramelize and all the moisture is out. You can see they're really starting to cook down, and they're starting to release their moisture. Okay, we're almost there. It's getting close. These onions are going to get super sweet. It's going to be really delicious. At this point, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of crushed garlic. And we're just going to let this go for another few minutes. Like I said, we're so close. I'm also going to add a half a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm not going to add any salt yet till the end. It's going to cook down, and then it can make these, make it seem too salty. So I'd rather just wait to the end. Look at these beautiful mushrooms and onions. Ugh. All right, I'm going to turn these down to low. They've been on medium. I'm going to turn them down to low, and I'm going to make my sauce. The potatoes aren't quite tender enough yet, so I'm going to add the spinach in here. And we'll let that wilt down. And I'm just going to leave it on low. My potatoes will be done very soon, and then we'll make our sauce. So we're just going to scoop out all the potatoes and the cauliflower. We're going to retain this water because we're going to use it. This way we can make a really creamy sauce without a lot of fat. We don't need to use cashews, all that. Although there's nothing wrong with cashews in a cheese sauce or any kind of sauce. But we're trying to keep this low fat and maximum weight loss. Now we're going to add some spices and some nutritional yeast, some lemon juice, some plant milk, and we'll add some of the cooking water. This is about, I would say, half a cup. I want this to be really thick, so I'm just starting off with a little bit of liquid. All right, I'm gonna go blend this up. All right, then I'm gonna add some of this mixture on here. And you can do this as a wrap. I'm gonna probably do it more like a taco. But there you go, look at that. And these wraps are really sturdy. And there you go, look at that. A beautiful wrap slash taco, however you want to do it. All right, let's give this a taste. Here we go, finished product. You could do it like a wrap or like a burrito, just, you know, fold it up and eat it like a burrito, but let's give it a taste. I'm gonna go with the taco style. I don't think it's gonna be as messy as the wrap right now. This wrap, the texture is amazing. You're gonna love it. I'll leave the recipe down below on how to make the wrap. I mean, it's 2 ingredients, water, and then the yellow split mung beans. You just soak them overnight and then throw them in a blender with some water and you get this beautiful wrap. Super easy to make, great fiber, and then fill it with whatever you like. You know, I've been on a, you know, I eat so many greens. I love to just throw whatever and then greens as well, so you're getting all your veggies in one little wrap or one little taco. And that mushroom, onion, spinach combo with the white plant-based cheese sauce, so good. And this is all low fat, high carb, great for weight loss, so don't think that you have to starve yourself to lose weight or maintain your weight. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with wraps, and that way I know you stuck to the end with me, and I really, really appreciate it. Remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.